Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account step by step. Let's get right into it. First, log in to your PayPal account from your browser or mobile app. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left side of the page, right below your current balance, and click Transfer Money. This is the option that lets you move funds out of your PayPal balance. Now, just a quick note, if you're trying to send your balance to someone else's bank account, that person will need to create their own PayPal account, link their bank, and then you can send them money using the friends and family option. Once they receive it, they can withdraw the money to their bank easily. Alright, once you've clicked on Transfer Money, the next step is to select Transfer to your bank. This is the option that allows you to withdraw money directly to your linked bank account. If you want to transfer money to an international bank, you can choose Send Internationally instead. This uses PayPal's partner service called Zoom, which supports transfers to over 100 countries. Now, you'll need to choose how much money you want to transfer. By default, PayPal selects your entire balance, but you can click the little X next to the amount to enter a smaller number. If you only want to transfer part of your funds, then you'll see two transfer options appear on your screen. If you want your money right away, select Instant Transfer. This will send your money to your linked debit card or bank account within minutes. But keep in mind, there's a small fee for this option. If you don't mind waiting a bit, choose Standard Transfer. This option is free, and the money usually arrives in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Most major banks process this pretty quickly without any issues. Once you've selected your transfer speed and confirmed the amount, all you have to do is click Transfer Amount Now. That's it. Your PayPal funds are now on their way to your bank account. If you chose Instant Transfer, your money should arrive in just a few minutes. If you went with the Standard Transfer, just keep an eye on your bank. It'll show up within a couple of days, and there you go. It's how easy it is to move your money from PayPal to your bank account. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick finance and payment app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.